muthenya wa keri. President Uhuru Kenyatta ekinyetie bunge-ini ya bũrũri kuheana ndumiriri yake ya o mwaka iria athitwo ni gatiba ya bũrũri. Ino iri ndumiriri yake ya kanana wathani-ini wake. Ndumiriri-ini ya president akarurumura ndereti ya riboti ya BBI iria yatanyitwo gwika mogaruruku gatiba ya bũrũri o tiga yarũgamirio ni igoti nene na igoti ria gucokia cira riko.
And the record of Parliament attests to the fact that the people of Kenya wanted a constitutional change, but a few individuals sat down in a back room and they decided otherwise.
President akiuga ati bũrũri uthiaga hathara ya ngero na bara o mwaka wa gĩthurano na gucũngĩrĩria kuhaguka kwa wonjoria wa bũrũri.
And the question I pose therefore to the leadership of this country present here today is this: is this right? Is this trajectory the logical path that our country should take? Thank you. And as I have said before, our country has been in a constitutional moment since 2017. The only question is, what should we do with this constitutional moment?
Mutongoria wa bũrũri akiuga BBI yari iteithie kurehe uiganania na uigananu bũrũri-ini.
The first loss was equity in resource allocation. In missing the First Amendment to the 2010 Constitution, Kenya missed the possibility to increase the minimum county allocation from the current 15% to 35%. The second loss, honorable members, from the First Amendment was proportional representation. Proportionality is about the equitable distribution of resources amongst all groups. First Amendment to our Constitution would have ensured that 50% of all senators were women. The third loss was about expanding our national executive to accommodate a broader face of Kenya.
Na riri cira wa BBI ucoketio riko igoti-ini ria Supreme, President ariona mwihoko akiuga riri ni ihinda ria gucenjia gatiba na Akenya marenda gatiba icenjio.
Honorable members, we cannot behave like the proverbial ostrich and bury our heads in the sand. A constitutional moment does not resolve itself simply by being ignored. The need for political stabilization is, I believe, the most urgent task facing Kenyans today.
It was not the right time. No wega gukagarura hindi wengi, but ndungigarura katiba hindi ria Wanjiku araria thina.
No ningi ni atuhe mwihoko atwira atiriri maundu maria matarikire ri ni makurika na ngiugo guo to ni gutemagite mande turi ni kuga of course kurikina na mwihoko kuri Supreme Court.
President ni auga ati andu a Kenya ni marenda gatiba icenjio. Ni ndarora kuria ni ndongoragia na kuria ngoretwo na andu a Kenya kiria marenda na economy icenjie ti gatiba.
Ni aria muno horo wa stability na ni aria tukorwo twina subra tondu ni kaundu kanini muno kangitrigger maundu maria mothe meketwo thiini wa bururi uyu macoke thi.
Katiba kugarurwo kana kwa kugarurwo meririria ma katiba kugarurwo ni ma President Uhuru we mwene ti mandu a Kenya ni make na ateti aria me mwena wake macaragia iturwa.
Itua ria igoti ria Supreme rigie cira wa BBI riria ritanyitwo gukaheanwo Januari ya mwaka ukite na mĩario ya president ya kuga ati BBI no nginya iriukio ciratiga Akenya na ciuria itiganite no hihi ukariukia BBI na hihi itua ria igoti riri ria Supreme rigakorwo riririko. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku cikaro-ini cia bunge njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.